the guy is being respectful. Get the will be respectful.
There are men that will support this kind of guy, and there are men that will support him.
Babe, I love you. Why don't you touch me when I come home from work?
Okay, I
see my girlfriend, right? When I just see her, I'm happy. That's enough to me. That's enough for me.
No,
but
the thing
at the same time, why do you call her?
Wait. Nah, I like this kind of topic. The thing you say, can I speak English or Igbo? Because my Igbo no. See, the thing is, some men, they like their money better than they don't look at their woman. All they think about is let me go and make money, let me make money. They don't, for that guy, for example, right now, he has pride. He's trying to impress his friends. What he doesn't have, he's trying to give. Okay. But men are always like that. They give what they don't have. They know they are coming from a poor background because of the friends they hang out with. They try to impress them. You will know you don't have. I'm an Ayuero, but why they get you suit for events? You're supposed to use slippers or canvas. Why are you wearing suits to an event where you're supposed to wear canvas or slippers? There are some things that some men they overdo. You're in a relationship with a woman. Don't expect the woman to give you what you know you can't give her. It's both ways. If you can't give her something, don't expect that something from her.
But also the girl, when I come home, I look at you, it's okay for me. It's love.
He's not attracted to her anymore. That's it. He's not attracted to her anymore. He was never attracted to her. Because you can't tell me seeing your woman alone is okay for you. No. But you know, be firewood. You have to do something to her to feel good. So you have to give her something to feel good.
Fabrice, welcome.
Thank you.
You know something about this case. You know this case. Huh?
That nwoke na-agba n'ilo. First things first.
Kedu ka
ọ ga-esi ịmana ihe na-enwe m iwe bụ na that nwata nwaanyị bụgodo onye Igbo first of all, and that girl mara ajọ mma. In fact, the girl si na ọ mara otu ọ ga-esi were na-esi nri yie bomb shot n'ihe niile gbacha ọtọ di ya ya nwoke ga-abata ọma mmetụ ya aka or just buy or not or buy inside oricha nri ọ na-akpụ. And that girl mara ezigbo mma. Amara m ka anyị ga-esi wee kpọpụta ya na relationship ahụ.
Mana chelu nwoke nwere statement o make. Ọ sị ya, baby, I love you. I come in, I see you, I look at you. It's
that
okay.
Is not love. No, that's not love.
Ishi mbaka na
a man that is cheating outside are the ones that say that kind of thing. A man that cheats outside.
The girl is no matter ka mụ gị na nwoke ga-esi wee bie 6 months ọ na-emetụ na nyanwa na onwe ya na-emetụ onwe ya aka ka ọ wee nyụọ.
Okay.
So the man is not even doing his job.
Let's not really focus on them. I want you people to understand this thing. In many relationships right now.
Oh yes, that is what I'm saying, because isn't that about just 2 people? Just that show about 2 people. So imagine, if 2 of them can come out, so these 2 couples marazie the number of who now got through such a thing.
Oh, you could bullshit, Maro. But the believe you are not walking away. I know. Who to have a Canadian?
I don't know. But mana, na kawa buno area outside. Then when boss on area.
Okay, melon that they can call that for thinking on.
Yes.
Because you can't tell me your girlfriend is dressing a certain way to impress you, and you're not shaking. Your body is not moving. He has eaten from outside.
What's on his ambition? What about that?
Enwere nke the girl ka ha si eme na that relationship ihe niile na-aga na like officially the girl say na ọ na-eche na business partner ya mana that they are in a relationship, so the guy si ya na ya tinye na diary na ha ga-alụ otu ha karịsị ha ga-alụ otu mara na relationship ha na-aka mbụsị ha na-alụ otu. So the girl wee jee gotecha ma lingeries, gote ihe niile, go flowers, petals, ihe niile, kwadocha the room and everything. Mana shicha nni o, nwoke a wee bata richa nni naba. So ihe niile ahụ the girl kwadoro o metụrụ ya aka.
Wepụta ujere nwa ya ugegbe. Ọ ga-eme ya na ije kwuru ebe ahụ ọ na-alawa ụla. Yeah, see that kind of boxers. What area? We friend. Yeah, what is that kind of? Like if you get it sometimes, you take it. How your boyfriend?
No, ihe na-ewe m iwe bụ na that girl amaka. That girl marries that as in
that side different. That boy say boy has sent you so good. Huh?
In fact, also the girl ya pụọ na Instagram ya mee nke ọzọ. Ihe mma na bụ na the guy na-agba n'iro.
No, the guy
is very and he's a narcissist.
There are men like this that are controlling. If you come to this Canada where you go see what men like that here.
Okay, so can you kind of find your move? If you want them as such, what will you do?
I can't even say hi to that kind of people.
Because you're going to go through the attitude or inside the relationship. If all getting lost, what will you do?
First of all, before you go into communication,
there's no relationship.
If this person is this certain way, the conversation you have with the person will definitely tell you if this person acts this way or this person is this way. Because you can't see those signs before you see the signs and tell me you don't see it before going to a relationship. You have to see it before you decide to move in together with the person.
Oh. No, but she said that everything was going well until she moved in. So she said she started noticing the behaviors when she moved in with him.
Oh.
So but
sorry, Lord, I told them I'm going to photograph that girl because when you that girl, you know, I can get on top my own problem.
There's no any problem one again.
So what again? I don't know.
How? Why will you be in a relationship and your guy is not like I don't
understand?
You got respect your body and all that. How you take advantage of it?
In a relationship, it's called relationship. It's not called bone. It's not called bone straight. It's not called bone straight. It's called relationship. So definitely things.
My problem because so but if they have way, let them recover their business. The only problem now.
The guy is being respectful. The guy is being respectful.
See, forget there are men that will support this kind of guy, and there are men that will support him.
I don't understand how that is respectful because they planned that they would have fun. She went out of her way and prepared for the fun, and he came back, ate her food, and went to bed.
My notice happened there. Oh, how to go? I got to not go. How not leave on the TV. I remember one day somebody did all you interested at that. And I outside. You don't you forget it. So
I know you're not the guy na no thorough situation on may regret that there are so many men hitting on her and all of that. But Kembona, I won't even I got me to go
to and will be on a specific shooter site. I'm sure the one now.
The comment section began. Waga in Agafa had none at how much on a comment section kita gonna believe. In our course my part. Sit aside.
As far as they are good with themselves, I don't have any business there. So,
somebody said the girl should go get a job.
She has a job though. She got a job. She got a job. She got a 9 to 5. She's got a business.
Nah, because I'm a nasty talk to me here.